Hi, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and today I have a very special guest with me today, and that is my first son, Mr. Chomper, who is sitting right here with me. Today I decided to do something a little different, and we are trying out our first ever BarkBox. Now, we've never done these before, and we wanted to do something a little extra special for Chomper. He loves what we call baby toys, and it might not be baby for your dog, but a baby toy is like a small squeaker or bouncy ball, or he loves balls that light up, or little baby stuffies. He loves them and he hoards them, and they're basically his preciouses. So when Pumpkin was alive, his sister, unfortunately, we couldn't keep small little baby toys in the house because she was a power chewer. I'm talking XXL Kongs, all the indestructible toys she would destroy. So Chomper never really had baby toys. He would just play with the really tough stuff, like his sister. Unfortunately, since Pumpkin passed from lymphoma, you know, he's been able to do all of these baby toys now and everything. And so we wanted to treat him to something special and try out our first ever BarkBox. So this is brand new. It's been sitting at home waiting to get unveiled. I thought it would be a good opportunity to open it with Chomper, see what he thinks about the items, and then I'll do a review as well to see what I think of them as the fur mom, and my baby is going to be the one using them. So we're gonna open this up together and see what Chomper thinks. Chomper. Okay, Mr. Chomper and his sister Pumpkin are both Victorian Bulldogs. So what is a Victorian Bulldog? They are Oldie English mixed with American. So Chomper looks like an overgrown English Bulldog, and Pumpkin looked like her mom, which was the American side. Chomper has all of the characteristics of a typical Bulldog. He's stubborn, he does what he wants when he wants, and listens when he wants. He's actually very well trained and very smart, but he likes to run his own show. So he could easily take off, you know, with a toy if he finds something in this box that he likes. Who knows, but we'll have to wait and see. I'm just really excited to do this with him, as it's something special for Chomper, and if he likes it, we'll definitely continue to order BarkBox, and maybe they'll even send him a free box. Who knows? He is adorable. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, let's open her up and see what Chompy has inside. Now, like I said, we've never ordered these before, and we've never ordered like the bully boxes or anything, because these boxes, you know, were like too lightweight for Pumpkin and Chomper. And then in the bully boxes, they have, here, stay here, they have a lot of nyla bones. What's this? Chomper. Oh, what is this? What's in here? The wrapping is cute. It says BarkBox. What is this? Oh, this is the theme this month, and that's what I like. There's a theme every year. It says A Pirate's Tale. Oh, he found something. He found a stuffy. So, with it being A Pirate's Tale, it has everything in the box is going to be themed to be A Pirate's Tale. The stuffy that he found is a little seagull that has a rope on it. It sounds like it has some crinkle material. Here, let Mama. Can I see this? Chomper. Oh, it squeaks and it has a crinkle. Okay, there's no tags. There's crinkle. There's a rope. And there's a squeaker. What is that? Oh, I think he likes it. So this is the type of toy we would have not had previously. And then the other box, the bully make, has too many nyla bones, and him and Pumpkin would just chew, and having those little bully teeth, they would bleed, and so that wasn't a good box for them. Let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh, what is that? No, don't eat the paper. What is that? Oh my gosh, this theme is so cute. I love everything Pirates and Mermaid. But it's like a little captain with a peg leg. Let me take the tag off for him, and I'll let him get it out of the box. What is this? I don't know if he... Can I see this? He's got a crinkle. And he squeaks too. Can I have this? Okay. Okay, I think he's claimed both toys. All right, so needless to say, both items are a success. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, a turkey chew. Now, of course, he can't smell, well, maybe he can. He recognizes crinkle. This kid loves to eat. Okay, we like that it's rice flour. What are you doing? Do you want me to open this? Can you turn around for the camera? Can you turn around for the camera? What is this? Does it break? Oh, with some give. So this is something that would keep him occupied for a while. You want this? Do you want this? Say hi to everybody. The amount of drool that is coming out of him right now, I don't know if you can see this, but it's just all the paper in the box is soaked from the amount of drool. So this seems like a good treat. He does have food allergies, so when I selected this box, I made sure to select that he does have food allergies. So we don't use white flour, and we always wanted to make sure that he has a different type of flour, and this has rice flour. So when I saw that, I knew we were good to go. Even though I selected the box for his option, I still am a very, very good mama and want to make sure everything's okay. Oh my gosh, this says Yo Ho Ho Paul Ritz Bounty. That is so cute. And it's real beef and bacon, grain-free, soft and chewy. So I love how this all looks the same for the theme. Oh my gosh. And these are like not cheap bags, like they're hefty bags. And for your first BarkBox, it was $10. So this is so worth it. This one is beef jerky recipe dog snacks. What does this say? Beef jerky. Okay, so it's made with real beef, sweet potato, wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free, and grain-free. This is so good for a bulldog. And as he's been busy on his turkey chew, I'm just gonna do a little of his favorite thing, which is an unboxing or a unwrapping of a package. Oh, he's got his sniffer in there. What's that? No, you can't take the whole thing. What's this? Oh, and I'm totally a dog mom that sniffs everything, and I have taste tested their food a lot because I want to see what it's like. So it smells like jerky. Do you want to try this? Can you show everybody? What is that? Oh, good job. You want to try another one? Can you show everybody? High five. High five. High five. Chomper, high five. Oh, good high five. Good boy. Oh, I think he likes that too. Now let's try the Paul Ritz Bounty, real beef and bacon. You want to try this, Chompy? Oh, what's that? You gonna smell it? Oh, smell this, Chomper. What's that smell like? Does it smell good? You want a treat? Okay. Can you down? Good boy! Good job! All right, you want to try some more? Oh, yummadoo! I don't know if you all can see the carnage that is on this blanket between the amount of drool and crumbs and drool on the toys. I think this is a very successful BarkBox. Chomper, come here. Chompy, you want another beat? You want another bite? Give me a kiss. Chomper, give me a kiss. Hey, hello. Can I have a kiss? Thank you so much. I know you're very busy. You're very busy. And here's the two stuffies that we got. So they do squeak and crinkle. Chompy, what do you think? He's very interested in the food remnants right now. Okay, so it's safe to say that this BarkBox was a huge success for Mr. Chomper. He loved everything inside of it. This box was purchased on our own. We are not sponsored. This wasn't sent to us or given to us, so it is our true opinion and what we think of it. And if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up or a paw up. We'd greatly appreciate it. Make sure you're subscribed to our Instagram and Facebook channels as well, and leave a comment below if you've ever subscribed to BarkBox and if you have a little pup at home who would love this as well. So thank you so much for joining Chomper and I today. Right, buddy? Thank you for joining us today. It's Denise and Chomper from Wonderland Boutique. Hope to see you again all real soon. Bye-bye. You want this? Oh, yes, you do. Is this a my squeaker? Is it a mine? Where's these? Oh, no. Okay, we are back home now from Chomper's first ever BarkBox unboxing. And yeah, I am in a different shirt because I'm fat and I enjoy food, and I was trying to shovel a sandwich down my throat and it had mayo on it and it spilled on my shirt and it's probably gonna stain, so I had to change my shirt. But in other news, I put together Chomper's items in his BarkBox. You'll see that you can tell where he got into it. I mean, he drooled all over the paper because he was very excited. So I wanted to look at this from a puppy mom's point of view and really get a chance to dive into the products before letting Chomper just have everything. Like I said before, so we paid for this, meaning my husband and I, on our own. This is not sponsored. It wasn't a gift. It wasn't given to us. So this is, you know, my real opinion because I'm not getting paid for it. However, BarkBox, cutest bulldog ever. If you want to sponsor me, hook me up because Chomper will love it. Okay, so first is this little guy. So I took the tag off because Chomper had already gone for him straight out the gate. So this is perfect for Chomper. There aren't any eyes for him to take off because he likes to rip the souls out of his toys. He hates eyes and he likes to rip toys apart anyways. But because he has small itty bitty little bulldog teeth, and they're very like super underbite, like he doesn't tear up toys that bad. So this is like the perfect toy for him. So it's got crinkle here in the captain's little tailcoat. It's got a squeak, which is amazing. And then it does have stuffing, but I'm sure we'll get to that eventually. He'll destroy it. But I think he's so cute, the little pirate, and he's got the peg leg. And the peg leg is made with like durable fabric, as they call it. So it's nice that it has all these different elements to it. Same with his little hook. Reminds me of that fire hose material. So I think this is a great little stuffy for him. I'm gonna fold this paper in here. Now, I didn't get a chance to talk about the theme, but it's Barkbeard's Treasure, a pirate's tale. Arrgh, I love it. So it just says, set sail for Barkbeard's Treasure, the biggest booty and scallywag has ever sniffed. This is so cute. I don't know who comes up with these themes, but this is awesome. With ye scurvy squeakies in tow and plenty treats for ye biscuit-eating Barkaneers, you'll be ready for your rough seas and jolly adventures. Good luck, sea dogs, and stay off the poop deck. I laugh because every time we go to my mother-in-law's house, Chomper has to do the rounds and pee on their deck and has been known to have a few poopsies. I'm not gonna lie. And on the back, oh cute. It says, shiver me pictures, spread ye legend far and wide, show us who you be sailing with on your quest for Barkbeard's treasure. Find Barkbeard's bandana in your BarkBox, dress your wily sea dog in the bandana, and snap a picture. Share with BarkBox Day for a chance to be featured on our channels. Well, I will definitely do that because Chomper is super, super cute. And then it talks about the legend of Barkbeard. This is so cute. I love a theme. So that makes me very happy. And then this little guy is a pelican. So he's got a nose that's pretty well stuffed. No eyes. So that's really good. He's got this little rope leg, which I can appreciate. And there's a squeaker in his little peg leg. Oh, there's a squeaker in this foot too. Oh my gosh. So Chomper just came in the room because he heard me squeaking. And then there's crinkle material in the wings. Does he have another? Oh my gosh. This one has 3 squeakers. That means that's 3 squeakers Chomper will destroy. But this is another great little stuffy. So then this was what I let him chew on earlier. It's a turkey chew. I love that I can break this up so he can have it more than once. And then he loved these treats. So this is the one that's the real beef and bacon. Another thing, you know, I mean, it's grain-free, soft and chewy. So that's why that's so important for a bulldog parent or any dog parent who has, you know, diet specifications and restrictions for your baby. So I love that BarkBox offers that as an option to make sure that your baby can have this. And then this one is the one that is like everything free. And he loved this. This was the beef jerky. So when you smell it, it tastes, I shouldn't say it tastes because I didn't try this one, but I might. It smells just like a jerky stick. So he could not get enough of these. Like, and how many ounces is this? So this is 10 ounces. That's a hefty bag. Like, if I were to buy this at like a big box store, I mean, this is easily probably an $8 to $10 bag of treats, I would presume. Same with this one. This one is 5 ounces. So again, I mean, this would be like a $5, $6 treat bag at least at the store by itself. And then we've got 2 stuffies, the turkey chew, and the cute little legend of Bark Dog. But I didn't see a bandana in there, so maybe that's something that like only comes in a few packages. I'm not totally sure why we didn't get a bandana, but I'm definitely going to tag Chomper's picture with this BarkBox because we got him to pose with it and he looks so freaking cute. I couldn't take it. He hates getting his pictures taken. Like, hates. As soon as he sees the camera, head down and away. Hates it. So when we bribe him with treats and toys, because we totally do that, then he actually will take a picture. So I am very happy with this, and I'm glad that we were able to do something special for Mr. Chomper and get this box for him. So this was our first month. Like I said, this is not sponsored or anything like that. So when you subscribe your first box is $10, and then I think it's $24 the next month. But in my opinion, with shipping, if this is the contents every month, that is absolutely worth it. Because, I mean, I could be way off in those treat prices. Those could be $12 bags at the store. But I'm definitely getting my money's worth. And my baby, he's laying down in here. You might be able to hear him huffing. He's very tired. Just going over to grandma's and hanging out and getting all this new stuff was very stimulating for him. So he's going to be probably napping the rest of the night. And then trying to be refreshed for tomorrow. He's a senior bulldog. He's 10 years old and he's in great shape. Knock on wood. This table is wood. We have to knock on wood. Great shape for a 10-year-old. So we like to keep it that way. So I'm very cautious with what I give him with treats and everything like that. So a big thumbs up to BarkBox. This box is awesome. We will totally be continuing our subscription. And again, if you like this video, thumbs up. Comment below, subscribe to Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. And it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and hope to see you again real soon. Thank you.